Hey guys, a couple weeks ago you may remember that I was shooting some groups with this SK ammo. Now I had the intentions on shooting all 5 different types of this SK ammo, but I ran out of time and was only to get these 3 knocked out. Well, today I'm going to head back to the range and get these 2 knocked out. So let's go get that done. Finish up with the SK testing my automatic. Finish up with rifle match. right, so to do a little recap of the last or for the first part of this video that I started when I was shooting the groups, this is the standard plus, and this is the pistol match, and then the pistol match special. Out of those three ammos, my Springfield 2020 seemed to like the pistol match special the best, I guess. It had the best groups, and it was an average of 0.406 inches. And well, it kind of got a little better with the semi-auto rifle, excuse me. So the first group here was a 386, and then this one was really nice, and that's a .236 inch group. Really nice. And then these two groups are horrible. They opened up at a 703 here and a 678 here. I have one magazine that does that. I don't, for some reason, this one magazine causes my ammo to kind of just open up the groups. I don't know what it is. I know there's a way to tune them, and I'm not really sure how to do that. I guess I can look that up. But anyway, so the average with those four groups was a half inch. It was a .500. Now, if I eliminated these two because of that, I'm going to call a faulty mag, then these two groups averaged out to be a .311. Okay, now the rifle match. We had a .242, a .372, a .343, and a .389, and that averaged out to be a 0.382 inch group. So out of these 5 different types of ammo, my Springfield 2020 seems to like the semi-auto rifle the best. And like I said, that's if I eliminate these two groups, because I know that's a magazine issue, because that was a 0.311 inch group. So the testing continues. I have several different other types of ammo I want to test through that rifle, and I actually need to get out the Ruger Precision Rimfire and do a bunch of testing with the same ammo to see how well that shoots with the SK ammo. But anyway, that's about it for this one. I want to thank you guys for watching, and we'll talk to you later.